Hello guys, my name is Ruby and this is my nephew,
David?
David. And today we are going to teach you an easy tickle game. Okay, so first you need to have a pair. I would suggest it's like if there's like two of you, you can do this to tickle game. But if you have like um, two or more pairs, you can do this through the longest, who can sustain it. But yeah, we're gonna just show you anyway. So first off, we just need our hands, David. Yay! And then we're just gonna face each other like this. Oh, there's Grandma. Hi, Grandma. And then we're just gonna do it like David, straighten this like this, and then tap. And then you can go this way. You can and then clap, and then go that way, and clap, and go that way. But the aim of this game is for you to not go on the same side or the same direction. So you have to, your partner and you have to make sure that you have the, what do you call that, presence of mind. Okay, so we'll show you. Okay. See, we're not going on the same direction now. If you're going on the same direction, then whoever gets you'll tickle them first. So yeah. Okay, let's do it again. So easy as the tickling, buddy. Okay, so see, we're on the same side, so I'm going to tickle him. I got him first. So yeah, if you got if you have like 4 or more players, you can do it like the competition. Who gets to have the longest has the longest time not to have the same side. Okay, to play not on the same side. So okay, David. We'll try to get the longest. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good. One more. So this is going to be fierce. One more.
I'm gonna
Get him. No, not yet. Alright guys, so that's our tickle game. Thank you so